Are you a fan of the Carl's Jr. Hardee's Charbroiled Sante Fe chicken sandwich? Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways, do you want to know how to make it? That's what I thought. This thing is really, really good. And if you love it but can't get it, or you're mad they replaced the wheat bun with the potato buns, well, then you're going to want to watch this video, because that is a great sandwich and it's got chilies in it. So stick around. I will show you how to make this thing. But now we got to get started. The first thing we're going to get started with is doing the marinade for our chicken. This is just teriyaki sauce. This is my personal favorite. Lowry's makes one, something like that. Just a really good teriyaki sauce. Thicker sauce is good. And we're going to put that in a zip top bag and set that to the side for a second. We're going to take a chicken breast. We're going to cut it in half like this and then get it about bun size. Now these have to be pounded flat, so we're just going to take some plastic wrap over it, pound them. When they're done, just throw them in the bag with teriyaki sauce, give that a good mix up, stick it in the fridge. Now the sauce is the real star here. This sauce is pretty simple. It is just some mayonnaise, some paprika, some cayenne, a little curry powder or turmeric, and a little bit of salt. Just give that a mix. I will have the full ratios, everything down in the description below. If you want to know where that is, just see the See More link. But yeah, just put that in the fridge and let everything hydrate. The chicken goes on the grill. The grill's got to be pretty hot because you want this charbroiled, not just basically, you know, poached in a thing with a steamed on your grill. Come on, get the grill hot, like 450, 550 degrees, somewhere in that range. After a couple of minutes, give that a flip. Grill wasn't quite hot enough, I guess. Don't have a really great char on it, but there you go. It's a really wet marinade. After a little bit, yeah, those are looking pretty good. That side's got a little bit of char on there, and that's pretty much about it. When they're firm, they're done. Pull them off, and let's make a sandwich. The only other thing we have to do is toast the buns. So I've got a frying pan here with some butter in it, and I'm going to throw my 4 buns in because I'm making 2 different sandwiches. We're just going to toast those just a little bit, get the edges crisp, and that's it. Everything's cooked, everything's ready to go. All we need to do is assemble the sandwich, and then we get to taste it and eat it, because that's the whole point of this. It's a cooking show, not a looking at stuff show, right? So you better be cooking along with me at home, because why else am I here? Am I just eye candy? Come on. All right. Anyways, we have our wheat buns. Sorry, the idea of me being eye candy. That's it. No. Sorry, folks. Didn't mean to put that out in the world. That's weird. Anyways, we've got our wheat buns. These are lightly toasted in the pan. You saw me put the butter down and then the buns in here. That gets them a little crispy around the outside without getting them really soggy and everything. So that's a really great way to do that. Kind of the way you do it if you're on a griddle. You just put a little boop and set it down on it. So that replicates that. So that's going to get you the most authentic, real flavor, and we are using the real whole wheat buns, not the potato buns that they've switched to now, because while potato buns are great, they suck for this. All right, what's the first thing we need? We need our amazing Sante Fe sauce right here. This is, you saw me make this a few seconds ago probably. I don't know time-wise. I haven't edited this yet because I haven't finished making it yet. But this is the sauce that you need. This goes on the top and bottom because they're proud of this sauce. So we are just going to slather this on here, and don't spare the sauce. They don't. It's the whole, if it doesn't get on your face, it doesn't belong in your plate. I don't know. They had some weird slogan like that at some point. That's on them. Okay, cheese is also going on to this here. We have American cheese because that's weird. I don't like to put this on the grill because it gets over melted. Our chicken is really, really hot, so this will melt in. Double check to make sure that's the bottom. Yeah, that's the bottom bun. Okay, and lettuce goes down. Our chicken goes down. And that goes down. And that's the Sante Fe chicken sandwich, except for, you thought I forgot. Fooled you. Of course it gets the green chili in there. Hold on, I'm gonna get that. I hid it over here. You totally thought I was gonna forget that. See, green chili, I had it. I was just funning you. Come on, that's funny. It's a little funny because I forget stuff. I screw stuff up all the time. I thought that would be hilarious. How many people are screaming at their screens right now. Just going, no! Okay, green chili goes down. This is just the canned Ortega whole chilies. Slice it in half, spread it out, get seeds and stuff out of it. If you want to get seeds out of it, of course you want to get seeds out. There's 1 or 2 left. I should probably get those seeds out because seeds aren't as good as you'd think they are. Neither are stems, but that's a different story. So here, allegedly, I don't know anything about any of that. All right, that is the real Sante Fe chicken sandwich. Charbroiled Sante Fe chicken sandwich from Carl Jr. Hardee's. The chili sticking out, the cheese, and yeah, the chicken has teriyaki sauce on it. It's weird. They only have the one kind of chicken. So whether you get in the club, the Sante Fe, or the barbecue, it's all the same chicken. It's just what they do to it. And this is what they did to it. That's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick, come back, and I'm biting into that sucker. Hold on 1 second. I have my thumbnail shots for the video thing, and now it is time to cut into the sucker. Now I am going to just give it a little cut here. So you can see the profile shot of this. Oh, she's a messy one. She's a messy girl. Oh yeah, you got all the sauce, the cheese, the chilies, the deliciousness, and the bite. I feel like I have the sauce all over my face. Hold on 1 second. That's better. I know I have it all over my hands. Jeez. This is a messy sandwich, which makes it exactly like the Carl Jr. Hardee sandwich. It's delicious. That sauce is so good. And yeah, that's perfect. There you go. That's as easy as it is to make. And basically that's it. If you have a hankering for that the way they used to make it, then you need to go get some wheat buns, the can of, I'll show you the can. Here's the can. The diced Ortega, or not diced, whole green chilies. That works. If you're in New Mexico, use real chilies. It's kind of goes without saying. If you're not, well then this is pretty much exactly what they have. It's pretty spot on. They're very mild, but it's definitely there and you taste it. American cheese, not sure that's my favorite thing. I would probably gone with Swiss personally on this, but that's what they use, so that's what we used. And you've got yourself the Charbroiled Sante Fe chicken sandwich from the place we've been talking about this whole time. And that's it. There you go. That is your sandwich. That is your video, and I thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next time. On the next one? I'll see you next, I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know how I should end these things. What's the phrase that makes sense? I still don't have a good end phrase yet. So like, we out of here, or that sounds dumb, or peace, you know, that doesn't fit me at all. It's got to be something. Help me out, will you? Leave me a comment, all right? See you on the next one. Bye.